Mastering Task Automation in FluentBoards. Hello everyone, welcome back to the 360 Channel Review. Imagine a world where your project management runs automatically. There is no more manual task assignment. There is no more renewal. And of course, no more missed schedules. Well, it sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, it's time to wake up because with FluentBoard, dreams can come true. Why is FluentBoard a game changer for project management? FluentBoard is not just an ordinary project management tool. In my opinion, this is a game changer. Especially in terms of automation. If you are an advanced WordPress user and want to increase productivity, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how FluentBoard can revolutionize your way of managing projects. Did you know that automation can save you time every week? According to the latest theory, automating repetitive tasks can increase productivity by up to 30%. That's a big percentage, right? Imagine what you can do with all that extra time. Today, we will reveal the full potential of FluentBoard. This powerful tool can automate almost every aspect of your project management workflow. Starting from task assignment to status renewal. Do you want to manage a small team or a large organization? FluentBoard is ready to help you. Let's start looking at the FluentBoard website. If you look here, there are several things that can be done with FluentBoard. First, it has an unlimited board. So, every time you install the FluentBoard plugin, it offers unlimited boards, reporting projects, amazing Kanban boards, and various other functions. Let's look at the bottom. Break free from the risks and embrace limited possibilities. Here are some examples of the use of FluentBoard. Then, there is a testimony. It is said that it is a magic SaaS, software as a service, based on WordPress. So, it is similar to Trello and Blue. But it runs on WordPress. Why do we need FluentBoard? These are the reasons why we need FluentBoard. Seamless task management. No speed bumps. Assignee count doesn't affect the pricing. Better collaboration. Clear visualization. WordPress plugin ecosystem for extended functionality. So, it is very open to expand to other tools. It can be useful for project managers, agency owners, solo planners, remote workers, or you who really need project management tools. What are the integrations? There are so many. You can see Fluent, Fluent Form, Fluent Support, and so on, and other tools. Let's see here. Integration with FluentCRM, Fluent Form, Support, Webhook. With Webhook, it can be connected to various tools. With FluentBoard, project management can be that simple. Very easy. With this plugin, there are unlimited projects, multiple tasks, and subtasks. Multi-stage workflow. Drag and drop. CRM contact. Easy migration. Template creation. Front-end portal. So, it already has a front-end portal for you who want to directly create project management for your client using WordPress. Then, it is very dynamic. Dynamic integration. Because it uses WordPress, of course it will be very easy to connect with various kinds of tools that can work in WordPress. Then, of course, we can also create a customized dashboard. Whether Kanban, table, calendar view, smart switching, color labels, customize cover, background customization, and all can be done in FluentBoard. Then, there is efficient goal management. So, now it can create task date, due date, priority management, time tracker, detailed reporting, and advanced filtering. Then, it also reduces admin work, of course, because with FluentBoard it can help various kinds of admin tasks. Dynamic admin dashboard, activity tracking, role management, resource management, notification management, future management, and improved team collaboration. With the presence of FluentBoard, you can connect with the team in your company. Then, it can also manage user permissions. So, you can determine how the access management is, how the data control is, and then how the GDPR compliance is. Everything can be regulated by FluentBoard. We go straight to the dashboard of FluentBoard. How to install FluentBoard on WordPress. As usual, to start installing the plugin, we go to the plugin, then add new plugin. Upload the plugin, add the FluentBoard. We install the FluentBoard, then we activate it, then we configure it. There are a few things that need to be added. FluentBoard requires base plugin and FluentCRM to get you started. So, we just install it here. FluentCRM and Core plugin. There are a few things that need to be added. FluentBoard requires base plugin and FluentCRM to get you started. So, we just install it here. Install FluentCRM and Core plugin. We just fill in board title, for example. Miniature board. Description is for example, board for you. This is the stage name for every process in the dashboard. The appearance is open, then in progress and completed. You can add it at the end stage. For example, there is a miss or failed text title. We can add a task. For example, find ideas for gardener. This is already done. I use the free FluentBoard. And this can be used directly, just by using the free one. This is the appearance in the back end. To see the appearance in the back end, we can see the general settings. Enable Direct OK. Then we make a hook. If you use the Pro one, just put it here. There are features and modules. You can enable time tracking. Then the front-end portal, if you want to see what the front-end looks like. Then enable. I just use the show in a standalone. Then the next URL, use the project. To see the front-end, it looks like this. This is the dashboard of the FluentBoard front-end. So you can see that the task is already visible. We can also add a task here. And we can move the task that is already running here. To add time, change the calendar. Let's go to Kanban first. Then open the task. Set the due date first. Let's say we want to start here on the 1st. The start date is the 1st. Until the due date is the 15th. The time is the 15th. Save. So it already has a due date. Then the priority is high. Assign, this is the person we will assign to run this task. And you can add this description. And so on, it's really complete. So very beautiful. Then we look at save. This is already high, there is already an additional date. If we look at the calendar form, it is already visible. Find for gardeners from 1st to 15th. If you look at the list, 1 to 29, the status is in progress. I prefer Kanban. It depends on how far the task is. Maybe that's what you can do later. It can also change the appearance. So you can set it for your client directly. For example, the member can see the board. Or you can make it an admin. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the Review 360 channel for more tips and tricks on enhancing productivity through advanced WordPress techniques.